Good morning, students. Welcome to the Max class. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 5 Time. How many days are there in 1 week? Very good. 7 days. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the 7 days. Exercise 5.1. Answer the following questions. First question. Which is the first day of the week? Which is the first day of the week? What is that? Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. Second question. How many days do you come to school in a week? How many days do you come to the school in a week? What are they? How many days you come to school? Total is 6 days. How many days? 6 days. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Third question. How many days or holidays in a week? How many days or holidays in a week? What are they? Only one day. That is Sunday. Fourth question. Which is the third day of the week? Which is the third day of the week? Sunday is the first day. Monday is the second day. Then what is the third day? Very good. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Find the days. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be dash. Today Friday. What's next? Very good. Saturday. Look at the calendar. August 2020. Marking the dates. Using the calendar, answer the following question. First question. Today's date is dash. What they mark? Very good. 15 August mean 8, 20. 15, 8, 20. What will be day after tomorrow? Day after. Today 15 Saturday. Tomorrow means Sunday. Day after tomorrow means Monday. What was day before yesterday? Day before yesterday. Saturday. Yesterday means Friday. Before means Thursday. What will be the date of next Friday? 21/8/20. How many days are there in this month? Totally how many days? 30 or 31? Very good. 31 days. Month of August ends in dash day. Monday or Sunday? Monday. Very good, students. How many months are there in a 1 year? 1 year, how many months? Yeah, very good. 12 months. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Totally 12 months. Leap year. Look at the calendar. 2019 February, 2020 February. What is the difference? 2019 28 days. 2020 extra 1 day 29 days. Leap year occurs once in 4 years. Leap year occurs once in 4 years. There are 366 days in a leap year. There are 52 weeks and 2 days in a leap year. Leap year occurs once in a 4 years. Let us find how many weeks are there in a year. Fill in the box using the calendar 2019. They given a name of the month, number of days in month, number of weeks and days. January. How many days? 31 days. How many weeks? 4 weeks, 3 days. 31 means, if we divide means 4 weeks, 3 days. February 28. So only 4 weeks. March 31 days. 4 weeks, 3 days. April 30. 4 weeks, 2 days. Same like that. May 31 days, 4 weeks, 3 days. June 30 days, 4 weeks, 2 days. July 31 days, 4 weeks, 3 days. August also 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. September 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. October 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. November 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. December 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. Totally 365. Normal year mean 365. Leap year mean 366. Total weeks 48 weeks, 29 days. 48 weeks, 29 days. 48 weeks, 29 days. This 29 days we want to convert into weeks. 1 week, how many days? 7 days. So, 29 days we want to convert into weeks. Divide by 7. 29 divided by 7. 7 table, 29 is there? No. Less than 29? Yes, 28. How many times? 4 times. Balance 1. So, 48 weeks plus upside 4 is that is also weeks. Plus 4 weeks. Remainder 1. 48 plus 4, 52. 52 weeks, 1 day. Weeks in a year. Common year 365. Divide by 7 is equal to 52 weeks, 1 day. Leap year, 1 day extra. So 366 day divided by 7 is equal to 52 plus 2 days. Totally weeks in a year means 52 weeks. Complete the table. Months having 31 days, months having 30 days. Shall we start to read? First month, January. January is 31 days. After January, February. February is 28 or 29. So, next month is March. March is also 31 days. After March, April. April is 30 days. After April, May. May is also 31 days. After June, 30 days. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. What are the months having 30 days? April, June, September, November. Exercise 5.2. True or false? First question. January is the first month of the year. True or false? Very good. True. January is the first month of the year. Second question. March is in between September and November. March is in between September and November? No. March is in between February and April. It's false. The last month of the year is July. Last month of the year is July? No. Which is the last month? December. It's false. February has 30 days. No. February has 28 or 29. It's false. April is the successive month of May. Successive means after. April after May. True. Write the missing month. June dash August September. Which month is missing? July. March, April dash dash. After April, May, June dash October, November, September. Very good, students. Study well. Don't waste your time. Study properly. Thank you, students. Bye.